Hey everyone, welcome back to our Tech Tips series. Today, we're tackling a super common problem: forgetting your Android phone's password. It's frustrating, right? You're locked out of your own device, but don't worry, I've got you covered with simple, step-by-step methods to get back in. This guide is updated for 2025, so we're using the latest Android features to make it easier and safer. First things first, the most straightforward way is through your Google account. If you've linked your phone to a Google account, start by entering the wrong password or pattern several times until you see the Forgot Pattern or Forgot PIN option. Tap that, and you'll be prompted to enter your Google account details. Once verified, you can set a new password or pattern. Make sure you have access to your email or recovery phone number for this to work smoothly. If that doesn't pan out, try the built-in security questions or backup PIN if you set one up. Go to your phone's recovery mode by turning it off, then holding the power and volume down buttons until you see the Android robot. From there, select Wipe Data, Factory Reset, as a last resort. But hold on, this will erase everything on your phone, so only do this if you're okay with losing your data. Always back up first. For 2025 models with advanced biometrics, like fingerprint or face unlock, you might reset via trusted devices. Connect your phone to a computer with USB debugging enabled, and use Android Studio or ADB tools to unlock it. Remember, prevention is key. Enable two-factor authentication and use a password manager to avoid this hassle in the future. There you have it, folks. With these steps, you should be back in action in no time. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech fixes, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay secure out there. See you next time. Word count: 345.